In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attendance board on Monday.com, a popular team management and productivity tool. Whether you're looking to streamline how your team tracks attendance or you're just getting started with Monday.com, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get up and running smoothly. Let's begin by creating the board. You have a couple of options here. If you're looking for a fast setup, you can use Monday.com's built-in attendance sheet or employee sign-in template. This option is great for those who prefer starting with something pre-made and then customizing it to better fit your needs. On the other hand, if you'd like to have full control from the get-go, you can start from scratch. Simply add a new board and follow along with the column setup I'll outline in a moment. We'll cover both options to ensure you can choose the best path for your needs. Once your board is created, it's time to add the necessary columns to ensure you're capturing all relevant attendance data. Start with the item name, which you'll label as employee. This will serve as the text item name where you input your staff's information. Next is the people column where you can assign employees. You can skip this if you're already adding names under item name, but it's there for those who find it useful for managing workload or assignments. Now move on to the date column. This is crucial for keeping track of when each entry is made. I recommend setting the default date to today, especially if you're planning to log entries via forms. The status column comes next, titled Attendance. This should have labels such as present, absent, late, remote, and PTO to cover all attendance scenarios. That the time tracking column labeled Hours allows employees to track their time by starting and stopping the clock, or for an admin to log hours if necessary. Then there's the drop-down column for shift, where employees can indicate if they're working the morning, afternoon, or night shift. While this is optional, it can be helpful for coordinating across different time zones or shift patterns. For any additional comments or explanations, use the text voice long text column labeled Notes. This is where you can note reasons for absences or any necessary approvals. If you want to convert track time into decimal hours, a formula column labeled Hours Decimal can be added, although this is optional. Next, consider a status checkbox column titled Exception Logged to mark when any late arrival or absence has been reviewed. Finally, there's the Files column labeled Proof. Here, you can upload scanned notes or any official documentation supporting attendance entries. And there you have it, a comprehensive setup for creating an attendance board on Monday.com. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your team's attendance efficiently and effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!